Morning, Maroon Pod. Today we finished dividing with integers. The I can statement is I can divide it with integers or I can divide integers. Can you?
Yes.
I hope so. If not, we're going to practice it. Quotient. A quotient is what, everybody? Now, this is a division house. This is the quotient. When you have a division house, it always goes on top, right?
Yes.
Now, this is the same division house. What number always goes on the outside of a division house? The divisor. And the divisor is the number that splits things up. It divides things, right?
Yes.
This is the exact same division house with the exact same numbers, but there's a number on the inside called the
Dividend.
So the dividend is what the divisor splits, right?
Yes.
So the number that is being divided or split up. Any leftover number is called a...
Remainder.
All right, here we go. Number 2 is McDonald's math. You're going to repeat after me. Does means divide.
Does means divide.
McDonald's means multiply.
McDonald's means multiply.
Serve means subtract.
Serve means subtract.
Cheese means check answer.
Cheese means check answer.
I love this class right now. Burgers means bring down.
Burgers means bring down.
Rare means repeat that whole process.
Rare means repeat that whole process.
All right, I'm going to do one so that if you're stuck on your homework assignment, I'm going to do one right now so that you can watch this video and it can help you. So the problem that we did, I need your help on this one though, is 437 division box 6, okay? All right. Does means divide, right? Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers rare? Does means divide, yes?
Yes.
Does 6 go into 4?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to ask that question again. Stop. Does 6 go into 4?
No.
So I put a plate, you don't have to yell. I put a place value holder up top. Okay, so I know that I need to check the next number. Does 6 go into 43, yes or no?
Yes.
How many times?
7.
So I put 7 up here. Does McDonald's, what's McDonald's stand for? So 7 times 6 is 42, right? So I write that down there. Does McDonald's serve, what does serve stand for? Subtract. So what's 43 minus 42? 1. Does McDonald's serve cheese? What does cheese stand for? Is my 1 smaller than my 6? Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? What does burger stand for? So my next number is a 7. Do I need to draw this arrow? So I bring my 7 down. Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers rare? What does rare mean? So I go back to the top of my process and I divide again, right? So I'm dividing 17 and 6. Does 6 go into 17? How many times? So how many times? 2 times, right? 2 times? What's 2 times 6? 12. Subtract that. What's 17 minus 12?
5.
Check my answer. Is 5 smaller than 6?
Yes.
Is there anything left to bring down over here?
No.
So I have what remaining?
5.
So my final answer is 72 remainder.
5.